And Emily?
Yes?
How do you feel as the start time approaches?
I don't feel at all.
That's all.
We're from Horse Team.
Go.
We're from Horse Team. Of course, impake na kami agad.
And to go.
We're from Hearts Team. Of course, lagi nakatoon ang buhok niya.
Sa team kami ni Big. And wait lang.
We're from Hearts Team. Siyempre, gumising ako ng 3 a.m. We're from Hearts Team. Siyempre, may dala kami nito kasi parati siya natutuluan ng toyo.
Kaya, go. Ulitin natin.
Nakay Ma'am Heart ako kaya lagi umindi ng stevia.
Yeah!
We're from Horse Team. Of course, kilala namin si Bungo. And this is Heart. Siyempre, direct line kami kila Panot, Bungo, at Bungal.